All these trophies right here are the Forerunner trophies over the years. Florida Finals last year. 4th place Louisville, Kentucky, 2016. 2nd place Louisville, Kentucky World Finals, 2016. Florida Finals again. Male Comparator of the Year at Slam Fest. SPL Best of Show at Spring Break. Park and Pine Best of Show. Slam All Year 2016. Slam All Year 2018. All those trophies there are from Spring Break Nationals this year. 3rd place last year, all around No Wall 3. World champion last year, No Wall 3. World champion 2015. All these are my special clear awards that I won over the years with my name on it. That kind of thing. Won all these at Sundown 2017. They do a good show. They host a real good show. And all y'all know the old for it.